Hi everybody, it's Carla, and I'm going to do something hopefully kind of quick. It's Christmas Eve today. It's raining like insane here. We're supposed to get 10 inches today and 10 inches tomorrow. I don't know, or 10 inches combined. It's way more than a California rainstorm. It's bad. Anyway, so I am making, okay, it was my birthday in November, and my daughter got me these flowers. They were beautiful lavender roses. Well, they're not so beautiful now, but they're still pretty to me. I dried them out. I sprayed them with a lacquer so that maybe, just maybe, I can use them and make a little candle sphere. So what I'm going to do is I've already mixed up 5 ounces of the 1 hour cure, and I figured I would start this, bring you along with me for the start, go do some dishes, come back and finish it. So I have the diamond dust, which is very heavy. It does not float, so that's good, because this is going to be the layer that ends up on top. So I'm going to just put a little bit of this diamond dust in here so that the top has a little glitter, because the rest of it I'm going to try to do in clear with just a flower in there. We will see, won't we? So I don't want to go crazy with this, but I do and I don't. Because yeah, this will literally just kind of lay down and sink to the bottom. And my resin's getting a little thick already. The way this resin really doesn't give you a whole lot of time. It gives you more time than polyurethane. But okay, so we're just going to do a little icy. It's going to be icy, we think. We think it's going to be icy. Okay, so try to do that. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and hold it up a little high. You can see what I'm doing, okay. And I'm just going to pour it in, and I'm letting it bounce off in there. I can't see it, you can't see it, but we can always hope that it's just bouncing off that little ledge in there, and any bubbles are getting dispersed. And let's get the rest of this little shiny stuff in here. And then I'm going to let this sit, like I said, for about 15-20 minutes. And then I'm going to come in and I am going to try to get one of these flowers into this little hole. See if I can win a prize, like a carnival game. The odds are against me. But you know, the worst thing that'll happen is it will break apart in there, and I'm still going to go forward if it does, and it will just be floating petals. So let's see what happens. I'll be back very soon, right away. Zippity doo dah, be back. Okay. Okay, I'm going to bring you back on and try to make sure you can see what I'm doing, but because I am going to try to stick this flower into that hole. It's kind of like giving birth. Except for that my flower is going to come out with a misshapen head, that's probably for sure. So I am going to try. What am I going to do? I need 2 more hands. I wonder if I go like this. Okay, maybe. Let me just put it here. Don't go anywhere. I just want to drop it in best I can. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't break. Okay, almost. That was kind of a good idea. So I'm going to go like this. And then I'm going to use my thumb to guide you into this home, sweet home. Now, you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm going to try to pick it up and move it. This is going to be... Okay. Ho, ho, ho. Can you see that it's... Does that look terrifying to you? To me, that looks terrifying. Oh my God. Okay. I'm going to mix up some more resin. I'll be right back. And we're going to just pour in some more resin, try to cover this up. Yeah, and I'm not going to go all the way to the top on this. I probably will go halfway. Is it in the middle there? Not really. Okay, so it's over there more. Oh, good Lord. There's going to be a lot of bubbles in this, but we're just going to call them pretty mistakes. Cute little mistakes, cute little bubbles. Okay, so those two flowers are not going to be part of this. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've mixed up 8 ounces of resin, just clear. I'm not going to put any blue in it. I'm not going to do anything like that at all. Just going to leave it clear. If this turns yellow, it turns yellow. It'll just make it more of a keepsake, I guess. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in about, I don't know, some of this, like not quite half. I'm going to pour it right on top of that, but, okay. See if I can get it where you can see what I'm going to do. I am going to now tilt it and hopefully be able to dislodge some of the bubbles. I don't know if that's going to work, but we're going to try it. And yeah, I don't know if that's going to work. I'm going to add in more onto the top. I should probably just do this really, really slow. So if you want to, you can just speed ahead until I come back and demold, because pretty much this is going to be it. And I'm just going to go slow enough that maybe the resin will go into the crevices. Maybe? Yeah. Yeah, it's Christmas Eve and it's kind of weird. My mother is in the dying stages right now. So our family's been on an emotional roller coaster. You know, I'm sure I'm not the only one that comes from a dysfunctional family. But when something like this is happening, a lot of emotions come to the surface that are better off, in my opinion, down where they were. So, I love my mom. You know, I love my mom. She's been hanging in there for a long time. She's 89. She's been in the rest home for 3 years. She hasn't been out of the bed for 3 years. It's kind of like Willy Wonka, you know, where the grandparents are just in the bed and they don't ever get up. But she couldn't get up, and she's just been laying there in a dream state, not in a coma, but just having wild dreams. But she always tells me about them because she thinks they're real. So, yeah, every time my phone goes, "You've got mail," I'm like, I don't, no. I know it's going to happen soon. She's not very, she's not responsive most of the time. Can't wake her up, that kind of thing, and lost her appetite, you know, all the stuff that happens in the last stages. So, yeah. Anyway, that's gonna, I think what I'm more nervous about than anything is the, you know, the family and the will. Ooh, some bubbles came out of there. Whoa, come on out, bubbles. Bubbles are kind of pretty though. So I don't know if I want all of them to come out, just a lot of them. You can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna bring you back when I'm ready to demold, because I'm just gonna sit here and make you feel sad on Christmas? I don't think so. Okay. Okay. I want to get this opened up, unmolded before I go spend Christmas Eve with my daughter. And have our little tamale Mexican chileriano meal. It's our family tradition for, I don't even know how long. We've been doing that since my kids were little. Probably since I was married to my first husband, who was a Mexican American. Okay. So I'm going to unmold this. I don't think it's going to be hard. I hope not, because I just I got a lot of mind to be fighting with the mold to be unmolded. So it'll show me some kindness. Well, let's go. Okay, oh, not bad at all. Okay, there's the flower. And can you tell what color I put in this after I turned off the camera? Just a little tiny bit of blue. There's a lot of bubbles in there, but you know what? That's my birthday rose. One of them. And I wish I hadn't put the blue in, but I did. If this was roses, nobody would have any money because they cost a lot to feed. So, careful what you wish for. Be careful. Okay, this looks cool from down here, right? Look at that. It's all, that blue made it look cool. Now, as far as, like, if I hadn't put the blue on there, there's really not that many bubbles between the leaves, but there's a lot of bubbles on the inside, like little micro bubbles. Maybe it's because it's cold here or rainy today. I don't know. This resin still feels warm, so a little warm. I'm just going to cut this off. Oh, now my cat's going to start meowing. I apologize for anybody that was watching the last video and he started just like meowing like an insane cat. You would think he had the equipment to have a girlfriend, but he doesn't. So why he starts going crazy to go outside, I don't know. See what he's missing out on, I guess. I don't know. It's raining out. Kind of stopped. Oh no, it's raining again. Yeah. We're still here. We haven't washed away yet. Knock on wood. Knock on my head. Knock on my head. Okay, guys. So. Oh dear, this is kind of really stupid looking. Well, it's not really stupid looking, but it's not like fabulous. You know, my original idea not to put anything in there, I think, was better. But I don't know, I don't think it's like horrible. I think it'll look pretty on a table. Yeah, I do. Well, chocolate chips. Where I wanted to stay started with an S. I won't say it. I won't. Here's what I unmolded today. To stop. Don't you put your claws in my leg. He puts his claws in my leg because he knows it gets my attention. I should let him go out in the rain. It's pouring out there. Of course, I have to go with him. Oh, this was a mold that I had been putting all my extras in for a while. I don't know, kind of like would make a cute little salt bowl, wouldn't it? To keep a little salt in there. Okay, love you guys. Great holidays or not. Winter solstice, Christmas, Hanukkah. The one that we used to have in the 80s and 90s. Do we still have that? Hanukkah. Yom Kippur. I don't know. There's lots of them. Happy New Year's. Let's hope it's a good one. without any fear. Okay, so I love you. Be kind. Oh my God, take care of yourselves. Please, please, please. This too is gonna pass. Everything passes. Nothing stays the same. So hang on to your panties. And, that mold is a mess. Hang on to your britches. And know that everything is going to change and we'll be on to the next problem before too long. So, I'm so sad about that. That looks so bad. That mold is bad. Oh well, it's raw. I love you guys. I love you very much. I'm taking care of myself. You take care of yourselves. And let's get back here together as soon as possible. 1 second. Alexa, please cancel. So, my Spanish rice is done, so I gotta get in there and turn off the heat. Oh man, I wish I had... Oh, anyway, que sera, sera. I love you, I love you, I love you. I'll be back as soon as I can. Don't have a heart attack just because I'm back within like 3 days, 4 days. If I have the energy, I'll do it, okay? Te quiero, te quiero, te quiero. Mucho, 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 mucho. I love you, I love you, I love you. Please take care of yourselves. Let's all pray for each other, for our community to be healthy and happy in the coming new year, and for us to have blessings multiplied upon each other. Okay, guys, I love you. Bye. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. Turn off already.